Welcome to English Learn with Zohan. Total question 15. Time 5 seconds each questions. Good luck. Subscribe now and never stop learning. Learn smart. Are you ready? Let's begin.
Question 1. This pen is than that one. Option B is the correct answer. Question 2. You must the truth. Option B is the correct answer. Question 3. He has not finished his homework, he? Option C is the correct answer. Question 4. The bird is sitting the tree. Option C is the correct answer. Question 5. I her since childhood. Option C is the correct answer. Question 6. What are you doing? Option C is the correct answer. Question 7. Let him the truth. Option B is the correct answer. Question 8. He got his car yesterday. Option C is the correct answer. Question 9. You not smoke here. Option D is the correct answer. Question 10. English all over the world. Option C is the correct answer. Question 11. What time the train leave? Option B is the correct answer. Question 12. I saw him the road. Option B is the correct answer. Question 13. This is the place we met. Option A is the correct answer. Question 14. He is the man helped me. Option A is the correct answer. Question 15. The dog loudly last night. Option B is the correct answer.